So I'm going to show you how to change or customize the keyboard layout on your Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, this is very simple. All you have to do is go into the keyboard settings. So you can bring up the keyboard from any point and then tap on settings. That takes you to the Samsung keyboard settings. Now, from here, you want to scroll down and tap on layout. Then there are a couple of things you can change in the layout until the keyboard looks exactly the way you want it to look, right? So for instance, you can choose the button and symbol layout. So you have default or alternative. So whatever you choose, make sure you tap on apply. Okay, I'm going to leave mine on default, and then you have the number keys, which you can disable or enable. So if you want to be able to type numbers without tapping on this, you can have an extra row of numbers, so you can type that out. And then you have alternative characters. These are the alternative characters on every key. So you can see, like for instance, G has a little percentage sign on top of it, so you can disable that if you want to, or enable it depending on what you want. So these are basically the different ways you can customize your keyboard layout on your Galaxy Z TriFold. So sometimes you type a lot of websites, so you can have a www.and.com. Okay, so depending on what you want, so you can go enabling and disabling different functions on the Galaxy Z TriFold keyboard. Now, all this is assuming you're using the Samsung keyboard, which comes as a default keyboard on this phone. If you've changed to the Gboard or any other kind of keyboard, the instructions could be a bit different. Thanks for watching and good luck.